many of its important decisions. B.R. Gawai has been involved in many important decisions of the country. When demonetization was implemented in the country, when bulldozer action was taken in the country, when it comes to Article 370 on the issue of Central Vistara project, even when there was a dispute between the faction of Maharashtra politics, Uddhav Thackeray and Eknath Shinde, he was also involved in giving decision on this. First of all, talking about Article 370 on 5 August 2019, the central government approved in the Parliament to remove the special status given to Jammu and Kashmir by Article 370 and 35A. Then a petition was filed in the Supreme Court against this decision. During that time also, this case was heard by a bench of 5 judges led by CJI Diwai Chandrachud. One of them was B.R. Gawai. In 2024, the Supreme Court had termed arbitrary bulldozer action without following the legal process as lawlessness and anarchy. It was said in this that it is not right to run a bulldozer on anyone's property only on the basis of being accused or convicted. It is unconstitutional. This order was given by a bench of Justice Gawai and Justice K.V. Viswanathan. Demonetization. When the central government banned the old notes of Rs 500 and Rs 1000 in the year 2016, some people had approached the court against it. The petition of these people were heard by a bench of 5 judges of the Supreme Court, which also included Justice Gawai. In this, the court rejected all the petitions. Decision on Maharashtra politics. When there was a dispute between Uddhav Thackeray and Eknath Shinde faction in Maharashtra, the governor called for a floor test. Uddhav Thackeray returned before the floor test, which created a lot of uproar. Even a petition was filed in the Supreme Court against it. Justice Gawai was also one of the bench which heard this case in the Supreme Court. Central Vista project. In the year 2019, the central government announced a redevelopment project to give a new identity to India's power corridor, which was also opposed a lot. On this, the Supreme Court gave its verdict and said that this project does not violate any article. The Central Vista project was approved by a bench of 3 judges, which also included Justice B.R. Gawai.